Hello guys, in this video I want to show you a fix to an issue that you might face when trying to use Maltego 4.0 on the latest version of Kali Linux. Now I showed you how to download it and extract it in opt Maltego, and I'm already in the bin directory, and like I showed you in the course, to run this you have to type // followed by the binary name, which is Maltego. Now, if you hit enter and Maltego works, then that's perfect. You don't need to watch this video. Go ahead and continue watching the course. If, however, you get stuck at the initializing, as you can see here, and then get an error similar to the one that I'm getting right now, then I'm going to show you how to fix this in this video. The main reason for this error is the fact that Kali is trying to load Maltego using Java 9. Now Maltego 4.0 will not work with Java 9, and the simple fix is to force Kali Linux to run Maltego with Java 8. Now this might sound complicated, but it's actually very simple and it can be done with one simple command. All you have to do is, I'm going to first of all clear the screen and run update alternatives. We're going to say I want to config Java. So we're using this command to update the default Java used to load Maltego. So I'm going to hit enter, and as you can see at the moment the star is beside 0. So this means that Kali will automatically use this path to load any program that needs to use Java. So this includes Maltego. Now, as you can see, Maltego is not working with Java 9, and the fix is to use Java 8, which is at this path. So all we have to do now is select number 1, hit enter, and this will set Java 8 to run Java programs in Kali Linux. So now if I go ahead and run Maltego again using the exact same command, you'll see that it'll load for me with no issues. So now you can go ahead and continue the course and learn how to use Maltego. Now, once done with this, or in the future if you are running another Java program and you are facing issues with that program, then you can always go back and set Kali to use Java 9 using the same command. So you'll do update alternatives config Java. If I hit enter now, you'll see that it's set to use Java 8 for programs that use Java. We can set this back to 0, hit enter, and now you're back to the default settings that Kali comes with.